You hear my nice little squirrels?
No, in here.
I don't know if it's better getting down to those trays, getting his way. I had him out so he wouldn't climb, but now he's learned how to get up.
Yeah, he got over and coming down.
Probably might as well just leave him in, huh? Probably more in the way now.
Yeah.
What about these grapes here, Dudley? You kind of mushed them and that was it.
Mama Donkey didn't want any grapes.
Didn't she?
Yeah,
She looked alright.
yeah. That one doesn't look good to me.
He looked at it yesterday.
It's oozing.
Like we have her on the
Yeah.
antibiotic too, so.
Well, they're animals. They can take a lot more.
Dudley!
But she tolerated puppy more, both of them. You know, the baby was very interested in puppy. Puppy went in.
Get in with them?
Yeah. Every now and then the mother would come and kind of scoot puppy out, but puppy and the mother nose to nose.
You work the baby over good.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Need to rub him a lot.
Yeah, I brushed the mother
Yeah.
too.
Oh, come here.
See the bear and the puppy fighting?
Huh?
See the bear and the puppy fighting? I'll get him out in a minute.
Look at this bear and the puppy. Oh my goodness. Eli, look here. Look, Eli up here. Look. It's a bear and a puppy fighting. Well, I was picking you up. Look, Stace. Oh my goodness, it's a baby bear, Eli. Here, put on that next, Stace. Come on, give us this.
Every now and then the bear bites hard and the dog gets mad.
How old is the bear?
Born the end of January, was about 13 weeks old. February, March. Almost 3 months old.
Oh my. Aww. Or like little bear.
Did you know Little Bear?
They like, no,
Oh,
Little
that-
Bear, the movie.
Oh, the bear that was here last year. Her name is Little Bear.
Was it?
Yeah.
The bear that was here last year was named Little Bear. Aww. What is its name?
She's a big bear.